Hello and welcome to issue 59 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, 3D Create and Print. Well, this week is the power module. It says on the packaging, get your power module in this issue on sale now. Well, I think I've already got it, so this is it inside the box here. So a quick look at the magazine before I open it up. Usual web access code 532152 for the designed files. Sculpture in the digital age. I think we've done sculptures before, but I can't remember which issue. I seem to remember. Anyway, does form follow function, or function follow form? Anything possible in the digital era? It's by Nick Rennick something, the Belgian artist. Okay. Arrested motion. I will Geneva's 3D printed kick. The artist used motion capture software to animate the combat's movement. Oh yeah, you can see. It's like one person kick another person, but you see what it is. 3D printing is a perfect technology for exploring new sculpture forms. Frank Stella says that computer design doesn't influence the style or content of his digitally created work. Some weird and wonderful wacky things. Okay, that's quite nice, I like that. Oh, the blender, modelling tableware, plate expectations. Now to make a plate. Oh, we made a plate in the other software. Bowl. Now we're doing a bowl. Okay, well this is it, the power module. Fit the power module to the inside of the lower covers and plug it into the main controller board. Okay, this looks pretty easy. Important notice, the input voltage section switch of the side of the power module has been set to match the usual main supply voltage of the country in which it is supplied. In the UK this is 220 to 240 volts. If you intend to use the printer in another country or where the main voltage is different, ensure that this select to switch is set to the current input voltage. Do not attempt to disassemble the power module or tamper with it anyway. It has been factory assembled for your safety. Avoid spilling any liquids in the module. If the module becomes contaminated with any substance, do not use it. Note, the switch S2 on the motor tester board 021 has been set, can be set to either on the on or off position. It is no longer functional. Aha. We were wondering about that. Because there's a switch there. That's what it was talking about, but you can't quite see it. That switch just there. Retro Gamer is also doing this. He's also wondering about that as well. So, okay, fishing rod part 1. Raid is gorgeous. Take the guesswork out of curves in CAD with this handy little gauge tool. Okay, spiral coaster and holder. Next week it is the rear top plate, so there'll be a plate. We'll cover this bit up here because it's got a little slit just there. So imagine that goes like that. That will just fit in this gap just here because that's what this bit's here. So it will be covering up this section here. Okay, so let's go back to okay, so let's take out the box. Got 4 screws. Oh yeah, last week I remember saying this is one of the heaviest bits. It is quite heavy. And I think the next heaviest bit is actual metal frame. This most of it's covered in this plastic thing, but I think that's the next heavy metal bit, and then maybe third, maybe these motors. And but anyway, carry on. I also said have to carefully undo all these wires. Well, not undo, but I have to make sure none of these wires get in the way. Yeah, no. Tidy the wires before fitting the power module. Carefully tie the wires inside the printer to make clear access to the power module. You must ensure that no wires can be trapped beneath the power module. This is what I said last week. It's going to be difficult. So I'm going to set this to one side. Okay. So this switch, this basically comes over this side. That plugs in there. Interesting, because it says note the switch S2 on the motor board tester board can be tested on the on or off button and is no longer functional. But in the video it says that switch must be on the on position, so I'm a bit confusing, a mixed message there. And that I don't think we'll ever get. There's no little plug there. I don't think that'll ever get used again. So now what I've got to do is these 4 screws. Okay, so this is. It's all a bit confusing. I've got loads of different holes, so no way how this can fit properly in here. I think you kind of get the idea anyway. So take a look at where these holes are. I'm not sure which. I'm guessing 1, 2, 3 and 4. Not those ones. I'm guessing that one, that one, that one and that one. No, that one. And not that one, not that one, that one, not that one. Yeah, okay, just as I thought. Okay, so it is that hole there. Just doing a quick test. Okay. Okay, you kind of get the idea. That goes in there. As I said, that goes, that plugs in there. And then I've got to screw that in there, so I'll do that afterwards, but you kind of get the idea. I mean, you'll see it next week. Well, it's only 42 seconds to go, so I'm going now. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed what you're watching. Take care. Thanks. Bye.